Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Matia. If you're not, welcome back. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this time I'm going to do something a little bit more colorful, something I don't do every day. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna get straight into it. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and my foundation because I didn't really want to spend time on that, so I was gonna get straight into the eyes. So starting with my eyes, I'm going to be using the lighter shade in my concealer to prime my eyes, and I'm going to create a canvas for my eyeshadow. This is just extra concealer for my eyes. This one's a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to blend that out. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit because I've noticed that I always do like nude eyeshadow colours, and I want to stop doing that. I want to start doing more colourful ones, you know. I'm going to create a crease. On my eye. This is really bright. Actually, I didn't think it was going to be that bright, but I quite like the way it's going. Yes. Using my white eyeshadow now, I'm going to blend that out to create an ombre look, just to make it blend into my concealer a bit more. So going back in with the lighter shade in my palette again, I'm going to draw my crease. So because I have hooded eyes, I tend to draw my crease over my normal crease. I don't know if it makes sense, but I'm going to draw it so you guys can see what it looks like. So guys, I'm done cutting my crease now, and this is what it looks like. I hope you can see where my normal crease is and where my fake crease is. So yeah, this is how I achieve a more dramatic eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the same colour blue at the end of my crease over here. So I'm going to be applying the rest of my colours using a different brush. This is a much smaller brush, so just so I can be more precise. So now I'm going to be using my purple next to my blue. And then I'm going to be using a pink colour. This is really bright. This pink is so bright. I love it. And then my next colour is going to be orange. This is a really bright orange as well. I love it. And then finally, I'm going to be using the yellow for my inner crease. So now using my shiny white eyeshadow, I'm going to use that on my inner eye. I'm not done yet, but this is what it looks like so far. For my under eye, I'm going to be using the blue pencil. Now using my shiny and golden eyeliner, I'm going to overline my crease. You have to do this really carefully because sometimes my hands can get a bit wobbly and like it could just go wrong really easily. So you have to be so careful. So guys, this is what my final look for my eyes looks like. I'm going to pop my lashes on now. So yeah, I just popped my lashes on and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to contour my face. Using my setting powder now, I'm going to set my face. Using my setting spray, I'm going to spray my face. And now I'm going to contour my face. And using my contour brush, I'm going to outline my contour lines. I'm going to blend that out using my blending brush. So now that everything is nicely blended out, I'm going to go in with my blush. Using my highlighter now, I'm going to highlight my face. My highlighter brush. Wow, I love this look. This is by far my favorite look. So guys, I've come to the end of my tutorial and this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you want to. So I hope to see you guys next time. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.